Once you log into your phone, you're going to go into Snapchat. Now you have your bitmoji here, and down here you have a little smiley face. If you hold down the smiley face, it'll bring your avatar up. Right now mine is on broken robot. So what we want to do is go into search, and I put in Cabbage Patch Dance, but you can put in any dance. So now she's doing the Cabbage Patch Dance. Now notice how her clothes are the traditional red sweater, white shirt, black pants. That can be changed by selecting your avatar at the top and then going down to change outfits. Now within here, I can make my avatar bigger or smaller by moving my fingers up and down on her image. If I wanted to record it, I will hold down the circle. Now I can save it to my storage. Now if I can go into search and put in dance again, view more, I can do the Smurf. And if I want to record that, I will press down that circle again and record it, and then save it again to my memories. Now, if I wanted to see, maybe write a word over top of it, I can then send it to people. I then can save that to my story. Here you have a timer to have it get started. You have focus, where when your face is on it, it'll use that to focus. And grid lines, if you wanted to line something up to make sure it was exactly positioned how you want it. Now, you saw where I clicked on the two boxes. These are all of the things that I have saved. I had my bitmoji making fruit roll-ups with my daughter. I sent this to my students. Have a good day. This was the first one I did, us doing the little Smurf dance. And this is when I was doing the workout. I put that on our slides when I was encouraging them to do their gym workout. Notice I was able to change the size of her, it's smaller and bigger. So all of these are now saved in my camera roll where I can use them later. I can send them to Snap, I can edit it, I can have it on my camera roll to add to other things. So if I want to add them, I just add them right on. Hope this was helpful.